Departure runway 07 right. Transition level 100. Wind 094 degrees, 6 knots. Scattered.
Ground, good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking, information, Delta, read to copy.
You are cleared to Victor India Delta Papa via Alpha Tango Echo November 1 Echo 4000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Victor, India, Delta, Papa via Alpha Tango Echo November 1 Echo 4000 feet. When ready to start.
07424, good day. Charlie X-ray 07424. You are cleared to Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot via Alpha Tango Echo November 1 Echo 4000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Cleared to Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot. Taxi to holding point runway 07 right.
2, runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. Alpha Charlie 98782. Continue taxi. Ground, lead 2. You are cleared to Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot via Alpha Tango Echo November 1 Echo 4000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Alpha.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow or carry on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
6. Ground, request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Ground, Charlie X-ray 2. Ground, request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground, Charlie X-ray 27065. Request startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Welcome. Request taxi. Charlie X-ray 27065. Taxi to holding point runway 07 right.
Charlie X-ray 4807.
Flaps. Ground, request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 07 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 07 right. Charlie X-ray 23675.
Charlie X-ray 92932. Ground, landed at 26. Ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, situation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Clear to Romeo, Juliet, Bravo, Bravo, Via, Lima, Oscar, Golf, Alpha, 1, Echo, 4,000 feet. When ready to start. Charlie, X-ray.
Cabin crew. Prepare doors for departure in question.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Request taxi. Charlie, X-ray.
Ground. Holding point runway. 07 right.
Contact tower on 118.700.
Roger. Contact tower on 118.700. Tower, good day. Holding point runway 07 right. Ready for departure.
Wind 089 degrees, 6 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 07 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff back passing 3,000 feet.
Tower, Charlie, X-ray, 247.
Cabin crew. Prepare for takeoff.
Charlie. Roger. Contact. Radar.
Knots.
07
E1.
left. And runway
Rotate.
07 left. Full established runway 07 left.
Positive rate.
Clear to land runway
Gear up.
07 left. Tower, Charlie, X-ray 035 leaving 3,000 feet. Charlie,
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated. In a few moments, the flight attendants will be passing around the cabin to offer you hot or cold drinks, as well as a snack. Alcoholic drinks are also available. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a quick update on our flight. The weather is windy. Enjoy the rest of our flight. Control, flight level 361, inbound, Romeo 003.
radar contact. Waypoint, Romeo 003, heading 285.
Radar, good day. 4,400 feet, inbound, Charlie, India 11, request landing information.
Good day. Sierra, India, Bravo, Alpha, 1 Alpha. Continue descent. Be level 10 miles before. Foxtrot, Echo, 522. Runway, 11. Report full established.
Continue descent. Runway 11, Wilco.
Good day. Wind 254 degrees, 0 knots. Clear to land runway 11.
Clear to land runway 11. Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and pick up any remaining cups and glasses. Thank you.
Full established runway 11. Alpha India 74653 wind 256 degrees 1 knots. Clear to land runway 11. Clear to land runway 11. Full established runway 11. 6 Echo 00379 wind 253 degrees 1 knots. Clear to land runway 11. Clear to land runway 11.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your destination. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are parked at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, since articles may have shifted during flight.
Tower. Runway vacated.
Contact ground on 121.620.
Roger. Ground on 121.620. Ground. Runway 11 vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Wilco.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet reached the gate. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Thank you.
Alpha Golf 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Clear to Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot via Oscar Bravo Delta Alpha Golf 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Cabin crew. Prepare doors for arrival and cross-check.